देखिए, then he made fire to keep them warm and offered them fresh fruits. When the four of them had recovered, they decided to take leave of the sage. The serpent and the mouse bowed uh, to the sage and said respectively, "O venerable sir, you have done us a great deed uh, by saving our lives. We have in our possession several millions worth of gold buried at a secret place. Please accept it as our gift." Then the parrot bowed to the sage and said, "O great sir, I don't have any gold to offer you. But whenever you come to my place and call for me, I will tell my friends to bring red rice for you." The wicked prince also told the sage, "O venerable sir, I will, O venerable sir, I will welcome you when I become the king." When I become the king, और किंग मीन्स राजा होता है, और देन मीन्स तब, और सेज मीन्स होता है साधु, सेज मीन्स, और सेवरल मीन्स की हाँ सेवरल मीन्स भी, हाँ, और ये एक्सेप्ट मीन्स होता है कि मतलब वो जैसे कहते हैं कि कबूल करना, और द विक्ड प्रिंस ऑल्सो टोल्ड द, टेल का सेकेंड फॉर्म जो तो टोल्ड होता है, द विक्ड प्रिंस ऑल्सो टोल्ड द सेज, "ओ वेनरेबल सर, आई विल वेलकम यू व्हेन आई बिकम द किंग." Then the four of them left for their respective homes. After a few months, the sage wanted to meet them all. He went, go का सेकंड फॉर्म went होता है, he went to the wicked prince first, who had by now become the king. He saw the sage coming from a distance and thought, "Oh, this detestable man wants to take favors from me. If I deny him anything, he may tell everyone that he saved my life." My life.